Hi, my name is Sherrod Jones, and I want to introduce my new free book that I'm offering as a great Christmas gift. It's an introduction volume to hoodblueprint.com. It's the first book. It's called Build Your Own Empire. That's what the first book is called. So the objective to this Build Your Own Empire is building it through digital affiliate marketing. And what that is selling other people's stuff to make money on the internet. Plain and simple. That's what it is. You market other people's items and promote them, and you make money as you promote them. That's all it is. So simple. It's not simple to the point that there's work involved. You have to do work. Nothing out here is ever achieved without doing some kind of work. You got to do some work. But this is a field that if you do it in the beginning, you can scale it a little bit, meaning you can make it better a little bit and be done with it, and it'll go on autopilot. Meaning while you sleep, you can be making money. Yes, you can be making money. So that's what I want to show you. So if you please submit your email, we'll start this relationship, and you'll be getting this information on a regular basis from me. You'll be getting, like I said, information about how to make money. You'll be getting life skills. You'll be getting relationship advice. We can talk about whatever. You know, I welcome the feedback.